Hi everybody, this is your ever-loving JP sir welcoming you all to this wonderful physics class. And in this class, we are going to see another interesting topic in grade 12 electrostatics. We are going to see how many positive charge and how many negative charge is present in a cup of water. Approximately, if 250 gram is taken in a cup of water, then how many charges are present in that cup of water is what we are going to find. Using the quantization concept, we are going to deal with this NCERT numerical. This is a very important numerical which is most frequently asked in the board exams. Let us all combine together and enjoy learning. Let us get into the class. My dear students, now let us take a cup of water, where in this cup water is taken. And approximately this cup of water contains some 250 grams of water. So, the mass of water here is 250 grams. And we know the formula for water, that is, it is H2O. That means this is a water molecule. Like this, in this 250 grams of water, there will be so many water molecules present inside. Okay. So, in this 250 grams of water, how many water molecules are present inside, we are going to find. Now, let us take this formula for water, where we can write this formula like this, H2O, which can be written as H11 plus H11 plus oxygen 16,8, where this 1, 1 and 16 are nothing but the mass number. So, this is the mass number, whereas here down the numbers are all the atomic numbers present. And we can explain this, the mass number of this hydrogen atom and the atomic number of hydrogen atom is given like this, which can be written as H. So, this is the mass number and this is the atomic number. Atomic number is represented by the letter Z and mass number is represented by the letter A, and which can be further written as hydrogen. So, this mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, and whereas the atomic number is the number of electron or the number of proton. So, here if we take the hydrogen, one atom which is known as protium, here the electron is 1, the same as the proton. So, in hydrogen atom we can take that 1 proton and 1 electron is present and 0 neutron. So, the neutron count is 0 here. The same way, if we take the oxygen atom, it is 16 and 8. So, which gives that it is in this oxygen atom 8 electrons are present. So, 8 proton plus 8 neutron will give you a total atomic weight of 16. So, now let us find how many electrons are present in one molecule of the substance. In one molecule, in one molecule of H2O, the number of electrons present is 8 plus 1 plus 1, that is 10 electrons are present. 10 electrons are present in one molecule of the substance. So, what is the net charge of this one molecule? We are going to find net charge Q is equal to, we know the formula N into E. So, which is nothing but, here N is 10 into E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So, which is, that can be written as net charge Q, which is present in one molecule of water. One molecule of water is equal to, so this will become 10 power 18, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb is present. So, that is the net charge which is present in one molecule of water. That means this one molecule of water contain this much of charge, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 18 coulomb of charge is present in this one molecule of water. Okay. Now, let us come to the atomic weight. Atomic weight. Now, what is the atomic weight of this water molecule? Atomic weight here can be given as atomic weight, or it is molecular weight. Molecular weight of water. Molecular weight of water is equal to 16 plus 1 plus 1, it is 18 gram. So, 18 gram is present in one molecule of water, or this molecule's weight is 18 gram. And if we want to, this is what is 1 mole of a substance. 1 mole of water, 1 mole of water molecule is equal to 18 gram. If we want to convert this mole to molecule, how many molecules are present in this 1 mole of water? So, in this 1 mole of water, how many molecules are present is nothing but the Avogadro number. So, N Avogadro, that is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules are present. So, this much molecules are present in this 1 mole of the substance. That is 18 grams of water contain this many molecules. Therefore, 1 gram of water will be having 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 18 molecules. Therefore, you can again find 250 grams of water that will be containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 18 into 250 molecules. So, this much of molecules are present in 250 gram of water. So, we can simplify it further, where we can get the answer as 6.023 into 25 by 18 into 10 to the power 24 molecules. Or further we can write this as some 8.36 into 10 to the power of 24 molecules. So, this many molecules are present in 250 gram of water. So, 250 gram of water contain these many number of molecules. So, now let us find out here that one molecule of hydrogen one water molecule contains 10 electrons. So, the net charge that is present in this one water molecule is 10 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, where that is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 18 coulomb is present in one molecule of water. Therefore, in this many molecules, that is in 250 grams of water, how many molecules are present is these many molecules are present. Therefore, in 8.36 into 10 to the power 24 molecules, what charge will be there? Now, what will be the charge? That is equal to, that is nothing but 8.36 into 10 to the power 24 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 18. So, where this is equal to 8.36 into 1.6 into 10 to the power 6, or we can simplify it further, that is 1.33 into 10 to the power 7 coulomb is present in this 250 gram of water. So, this is the charge that is present in 250 gram of water. I hope that you all could have got the concept in this module. Let me explain once again. So, we are taking a cup of water which contains some 250 grams, and the water will be in the form of molecules. So many molecules are there in this cup of water. We are going to find how many molecules are there in 250 gram of water. For that, we should know the formula for water, and from this formula we are calculating the number of electrons present in one molecule of water. In one molecule of water, there are 10 electrons present. Using the quantization formula, we can use Q is equal to N into E formula, and where we are finding the net charge that is present in this water molecule. The net charge that is present in this single water molecule is 10 is the number of electron N into E, which is the charge of the electron. So, 10 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb is the net charge. And if we simplify the net charge, then we will get that this one molecule of water is having this many of charge. So, this is the charge 1.6 into 10 power minus 18 coulomb is the charge which is present in this one molecule of water. And now the second part, we are calculating the weight, atomic weight of this water molecule. The atomic weight of the water molecule is nothing but 18 grams, and that is nothing but 1 mole of the water molecule, 1 mole. So, 1 mole of water molecule comprises of 18 grams of water, and if we want to convert this mole to molecule, this many number of molecules are present in 1 mole of water. Okay. Now, 1 mole of water contains this many number of molecules, that is 18 grams of the water molecule contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Therefore, 1 gram will contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 18 molecules. Therefore, 250 gram of water will contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 18 into 250 molecules. So, this much of molecules are present in 250 grams of water. So, this many number of molecules are present in 250 gram of water. So, how much molecules? Finally, we are deriving that in 250 grams of water, 8.36 into 10 to the power 24 molecules are present. 8.36 into 10 power 24 molecules are present. In 8.36 into 24 molecules, what is the charge present? We are going to find the net charge. How many charge is there in this 250 gram of water? How many positive charge and how many negative charge is there in this 250 gram of water is what we are going to find. Okay. Now we want the charge in this many number of molecules. Okay. So what we can do is just we know that in one molecule this is the charge. Therefore, in these many number of molecules, the charge is the charge is 8.36 into 10 to the power. So here we have made a mistake. 8.36 into 10 to the power 24 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 18. So finally, we will be getting the answer. If we are simplifying all these things, the answer what we will get is 1.33 into 10 to the power 7 coulomb is the charge that is present in 250 grams of water. Either it can be positive charge or it can be negative. Both the charges will be present. That is why water is called as a neutral molecule. Equal number of protons and equal number of electrons will be present in the water molecule. And I hope that you all could have enjoyed this class, and let us again meet in the next class. Thank you for watching.